Hey guys, this is Joey of YugaTech and we're here at Computex 2018 in Taipei. ASUS ROG has just launched a number of devices and products, and among them are the next generation Strix, Scar 2 and Hero 2 gaming laptops. Much of the outside remains the same across both devices, but their insides have changed. We have a black and grey color scheme with a two-tone sort of brushed finish. It's a pretty stealthy design that doesn't scream gamer, with the exception of the signature ROG logo of course. What's impressive here are the displays. ASUS was able to shrink down the bezels quite a bit, increasing the screen to body ratio, but that's not all. 120Hz is so last year, so the Scar 2 and Hero 2 get 144Hz. Response time has also been bumped down to 3 milliseconds instead of 5. The display does have a better design and is faster, but it's just as good in other aspects. It's a high-quality TN panel which should almost match a fully blown IPS panel. It runs at 1080p and has 100% sRGB coverage. ASUS still wants these two to maintain their identities as laptops for two subsets of gamers. The Scar 2 of course is geared more towards FPS gamers, as the WASD keys are heavily highlighted in the keyboard's layout. The Hero 2 on the other hand is for MOBA gamers, with the Q, W, E, and R keys being more prominent. All in all, you're getting good-looking AuraSync RGB keyboards with N-key rollover and 4 different lighting zones. The trackpads remain the same. It has a smooth finish, and another part where these two differ is under the hood. Both carry the same 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, but the Scar 2 has a GTX 1070, while the Hero 2 has a GTX 1060. These are pretty powerful setups, but ASUS realizes that the beast must be tamed, which is why it has a triple fan thermal solution with just the right amount of heat pipes. You also get a fan boost feature just in case. For I/O, we get 4 USB 3.1 Type A, 1 USB 3.1 Type C, mini DisplayPort, and HDMI 2.0. The inclusion of Type C is great, but at this price point, we'd actually expect Thunderbolt 3. Overall, the Scar 2 and Hero 2 are shaping up to be very worthy successors to already impressive laptops. The ROG Scar 2 is priced at 129,995 pesos, while the ROG Strix Hero 2 is priced at 104,995 pesos. They are expected to arrive in ROG concept stores worldwide in the second quarter of 2018. And that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to join us for our coverage of Computex 2018, and click the bell icon to be notified of our future upload. Again, this has been Joey of YugaTech, and I'll see you guys soon.